Hey everybody, Ben with Diesel Power Products here. We have the Edge Easy X for the 2020 to 2022 Super Duty with the 6.7 liter Powerstroke in it. Let's tear into this thing. Now that we've got this open, first things first, packaging, A1 Primo. You know I'm a sucker for good packaging, so good on Edge for making sure that this thing is not going to get damaged in shipping and you feel like you're getting a high quality product. Let's talk about applications real quick. This is going to cover 2020 to 2022 F250, 350, and 450 pickup models with a 6.7 liter Powerstroke. Keep in mind there is a different part number for the 2022s rather than the 20 to 21s, but keep that in mind, otherwise you are going to be good to go. Cab and chassis guys, sorry, this one's not going to work for you. Again, that's going to be the F250, 350, and 450 with the 6.7 liter Powerstroke pickup models. Again, sorry cab and chassis guys. Now this is a very feature-rich product. It's got a ton of different features and you can control most of them through your phone or through the steering wheel. Let's get into those features right now. Everybody likes a little extra power in their truck. And don't get me wrong, the 6.7s with the 10-speed, it's already a very potent unit, but Edge felt the need, and I appreciate it, to give you 5 different power levels maxing out at 63 horsepower and 114 foot-pounds of torque to the tire. That's Dyno Proven. You're going to get that. Next, you've got a high idle adjust feature for those guys in the winter, or maybe you have some auxiliary parts on the truck that require more voltage or amperage going through the system. That high idle will help you out with that. Next, the thrall sensitivity booster. It's one of the best things out there. It's incorporated into the product. It's fantastic. You can get that throttle nice and touchy, or you can back it off a little bit, fine tune it through the app to how you see fit. This will even calibrate for a different tire size. I don't know anybody out there that keeps the stock size tires on their truck for long, but this one will allow you to calibrate for up to a 50-inch tire. And for those of you putting 50-inch tires on your truck, I don't know what you're doing, but give me a call, we should hang out. Next, you can also adjust or disable the TPMS, that's a tire pressure monitoring system. If you're running larger tires on your truck, chances are you're going to lower the tire pressure and it's going to be below the stock threshold, which means you're going to get that blinking tire light. Super annoying. This will allow you to reset that to what pressure you want or just completely disable it. You also have the ability to recalibrate for gear ratios. If you change the gears in the axles because you're running larger size tires, which you should be, you can recalibrate that on the truck. That way everything stays the way it's supposed to. Next, you've got the Coolant Protection system on there. That means if you've added power to the truck with one of the 5 selectable options, it will not allow that power to engage until the engine coolant is at 120 degrees Fahrenheit. And then it'll also back it down if it hits 240. So another way that Edge is making sure that your truck stays safe. You can also run the fog lights with the high beams. Now that sounds like a weird thing, especially if you're an old truck guy, but on the new trucks, as soon as you engage the high beams, the fog lights cut out. This allows you to run them all at the same time. Emission systems on these trucks are very intricate and they've gotten a lot better over time, but this will also allow you to manually regen your emission system on the vehicle and also check the emissions readiness system. So that way you're in tune with what the truck's doing and make sure that you are treating the emission system correctly and it's going to last you a nice long time. Also, you can read and clear DTCs from the ECM or TCM, so you're good to go as far as checking any codes with the engine or transmission. And you can also do the button recall. That means if you have tow haul mode on or the engine brake on and you shut the truck off, next time you go shut it off or turn it on, they're right back there. You don't have to hit those buttons again. Very convenient if you're on the road and maybe stopping to get fuel. You don't have to reset up the truck again. It's ready to rock. As far as installation goes, it's a breeze. They include instructions, and the long short of it is you're going to be teeing into a couple different sensors underneath the hood, fishing one wire into the cab, and that's it. You're good to go. You control the rest of it through your phone or through the steering wheel. We're going to have an installation video on that, and also if you want a more in-depth video, Edge has like a 20-minute video. Check that one out. They did a great job on it. For you folks out in California, as far as being CARB compliant, this has been submitted and will be approved in the very near future. If you're watching this and you're not sure, check the listing. It'll have it on there. If it can ship to California, you're good to go. If you purchased one of these before it was CARB approved and you need to get a sticker, contact Edge and they'll get you taken care of. If you have any questions on this, feel free to reach out. We have sales technicians on the phones 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday, and we'll give you the best tech support and advice in the industry. Don't have time for a phone call? Shoot us an email hit us up on social media, use the chat feature on the website. Whatever you see fit, we are here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.